You say so. We got this. We got this, man.
I'm crying.
Yes.
Kylie, stop it.
I'm crying. I'm so proud of us.
Oh, Kylie, stop. Stop it with the fake crying. You're really good at that.
I know.
Does anyone ever tell you to look a Bratz doll?
Good afternoon. It's Quentin Ware, the fashion doll, and I am here to unbox and review a fashion doll. And we're going to be reviewing and unboxing one of the fashion dolls. Whether you like her or not, she does have on the clothes, usually. And we're talking about none other than Miss Kylie Jenner. In my last video, or one of my last videos, I showed y'all that I got the day one, but I didn't want to unbox the day one because she is too cute. I'm trying to figure out who was the designer she was wearing in this look, and I still can't find it. So if y'all know who the designer of this black dress is, please let me know. But we're not opening her. We're gonna open the evening, the night. I found her at Target recently. Target had a sale, 25% off all like toys and dolls, I believe. So I got her on Sale. I felt better about getting her because she was on Sale. And yes, now I'm a little conflicted now, y'all, because from doing my research, the evening doll is wearing Archive Mugler. So now I'm like, oh, well, I feel like I should keep her in the box. But, I don't know. This one feels more special to me. What do y'all think? Here they are together. The girls is cute. I think I'm going to unbox this one. Even though I really like her, I feel like she could come out of the box. And, I have some dolls in my living room and dining room. She would be cute to be in the dining room to me, you know, an evening moment. Put some chapstick on so I'm not licking my lips. But yes, let's get into it. And again, I'm going to put the picture in the video. But Miss Kylie was wearing archival Mugler, and this was for the 2002 CFDA Awards. We got the Kylie going across here, which is cute to me. I saw some people say they didn't like it because it's kind of going over her face, but it's not that distracting to me. I really love the packaging. If you are new to my channel or you miss me saying it, I'm an artist, but I went to school for graphic design. And when I was in design school, we had to take package design, and I love packaging. And I've been saying for years that I would like my own figurine or doll. But this, I don't know why, but this Bratz doll and how they just changed it up, it really makes me want my own figurine or doll. So I'm going to put it in the atmosphere, in the universe. I would like a doll at some point. Something. So if the girls want to collab with me, holla. My contact info is on my About Me page. Thank you. But we're going to start opening her. And again, you probably see it, but here's a little illustration of Kylie and her in the actual Mugler look. Here is her. Ooh, her feet starting to come off, child. But here's her still attached to the packaging with Mr. Norman. Norman is her dog. I'm gonna assume Norman is a greyhound. It's giving greyhound. I'm not a dog person like that, so the people watching, y'all might know more than me, honey. This is the poster. Oh, I hope I didn't cut it. Now, I think this is actually gonna be, because I keep getting these posters and not using I wish they didn't have the actual photo of Kylie on here. I don't care. They didn't choose the best pictures to me. Like, y'all couldn't edit her face some. It looks blurry. They tried it. It could have just been an illustration by herself. But this is cute, the Bratz and then Kylie logo. It's cute. I might hang this one up. that just annoyed me. I wish she wasn't in the picture. I don't know why they kept using those pictures. And then I believe this is the certificate of authenticity. This is cute. It has the little lips on like the sticker seal. And then the lips here. Which I think, say what you want. I know the girls don't be liking the Kardashian Jenners. But them collabing with Kylie is actually very on brand to me, since Kylie is known for her big lips and her lip kit, and the Bratz are known for their big lips. It went together. So here's the actual certificate, and I'm going to keep it in this envelope. It just says, this certificate authenticates that your doll was carefully curated through the collaborative efforts of Bratz and Kylie Jenner. Yes. I'm going to put that back in here. Okay, well, let's get Miss Kylie out of here. This velvet feels very nice and thick. It doesn't feel cheap. Okay, here's the stand. And I think the feet go over those holes. Okay, we basically got Mr. Norman now. Here is Mr. Norman, and he has a hole at the bottom too. Norman got a little weight to him. Here's Norman, the dog. I believe a greyhound or some kind of dog child. Norman is flocked. It actually feels nice. I like that it has some weight to it. It doesn't feel cheap. And the collar, I believe you could take off. I'm not taking mine now because I don't feel like being bothered. Very cute. And if you buy the Kylie doll full price, she is $29.99, I believe. And I got mine on sale, but I so far, I think they're worth the price. There's definitely some quality in the pieces. But let's finish getting Miss Kylie out. Okay. Because the feet were coming off anyway. I just took the shoes out. These are cute. I think I like them a little better than the normal Bratz heel. It seems like they're higher. And if you can see, they have those little rivets around. Like the border. Not border. It's like the trim of the shoe. We'll say the trim. Okay. Ooh, honey. Stunning. Get into the hairstyle, the back. Get into her face, honey. Yes, get into her little swoops. I saw a video, I might insert it, but Kylie, I think, wanted some of these extra swoops, and I think the designers didn't. Get into her dress, her Mugler recreation. They did this sheer part really stunning. Now the sleeve actually is sheer, but the top has a new fabric under it, you could tell. But this is stunning. I'm mad that MGA could figure out Nude Illusion more than some of these designers, honey. Now this is a Nude Illusion. And I guess very befitting for it to be Mugler, because Mugler is known for the Nude Illusion, honey, darling. Now here she is with her shoes on. Let's get into the dress. Get into it, get into the whole look. This is the back. And the dress is one piece. I don't know in the real look if it's one piece or if it's like a bodysuit with a skirt over it. I'm going to put the picture back up so we can review. But I'm not sure. And then for her articulation, the head goes side to side. Can we get up? Okay, we can go up and down a little. I'm trying not to do too much because her hair is pretty precious to me. The legs, do we snap at the knee? Okay, we get a snap at the knee. Oh, they real stiff. Oh, did y'all hit that? Woo. But hey, she moving. Okay, bend at the waist. And then the arms have articulation. Now, I haven't had a Bratz doll that has this kind. Did they snap? I don't know. I haven't had a Bratz doll that you could do all of this with their arms. So this is stunning. This is my first. Yes, come on, pose. Pose, 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 pose. It's a photo shoot. When I go to the mall, it's a photo shoot. Yes. So she can give you a nasty pose. Yes. She has a little ring on her finger, and then her earrings. They almost look like it's supposed to be like a serpent, or maybe like those earrings or the jewelry is like a tiger, and then the eyes are a jewel or like a stone. That's what it looks like to me. That it looks like it's like emerald. Very pretty. And then we get our high split on the dress. Yes. Look, if you put her leg out, she giving us a little Angelina Jolie moment, honey. Yes. Walk like an Egyptian. Do, 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 do. Yes. Come on, she dancing. She doing a very befitting for Halloween. Yes, honey. Come on, Vogue. Vogue, let your body move to the music. Yes, okay. She looks stunning. It's not a whole lot to her, but she's definitely stunning. Let's look at the face one more time. The only thing I will say about her makeup, I think they could have gave the evening one different makeup, because their makeup looks the same to me. If there's some variation, it must be very small, but it looks pretty much the same. They could have gave Kylie a little smoky eye, or it could have been darker. Yeah, it looks exactly the same. I'm just examining it some more. The hairstyle is so cute. And they got all the gel in it so it won't move, but it makes sense. Let's put her on the stand. It should be this way. No, I think I like it better that way. Now, this is the first Bratz doll I've gotten that came with the stand. And while I'm talking about stands, Mattel, the stands y'all sent with the Barbie Looks dolls, both of mine broke. So y'all can get that together. Thank you. And if someone's watching, send me another. Two, actually. But here she is on the stand. The stand is kind of like, see, I don't even feel like doing it because it's going to come up. But the stand is like this similar trapezoid shape. Very cute, simple. And then you can have Norman sitting next to her or over it. Maybe I should flip it so Norman can sit on top. It seems like it would make sense for maybe the stands to have 2 sets of holes for the shoe, because it feels like she gonna go back. But cute. I flipped the stand so Norman could sit on there. But very cute. That's how you can use it for your display purposes. I will also add this. Y'all could have not had those numbers in the back of her head for that mold. That's a little tacky. But we're gonna let it be. But yeah, she's stunning. I don't have anything to say. 10s across the board. Stunning for me. I love the black. Now, I do think Kylie has some other looks that could have been used for both of these dolls, to be honest. What's one that comes to mind for me? I think Kylie, like, I know this is old, but back in the day, Kylie used to wear a lot of different color wigs, or she would dye her hair a lot. I think that would have been cool to have a doll with different color hair, since she used to do that, and she's kind of known for that. What's another look? I think her street style is cute, her and Kim. And for the day look, I just think both of them didn't have to be black. I think it would have been nice for the day one to at least be in some color and something more fun. And I don't just think of Kylie always having on black. That's not what I think of. Just like the most recent Met Gala, she wore red or like red and blue. And I think it was Gaultier. But this is pretty. For the night one, no shade. I think they should have did the other Mugler look that she wore to like a Mugler exhibit. And she had the headpiece. One of the minis was in there, but I think they should have did a full one in there. I would have much rather seen that. And the lavender Mugler, not the lavender Versace, that the big doll is going to be in, that could have been in the normal size too. And people probably would have paid more money for that. They should have did Kylie and Kendall and had it as a set. That would have turned it. But I like them both. Kylie just announced that she has a new clothing line called Kai, and it's all like faux leather pieces, and it looks like it's all black. So maybe that's why she was trying to keep the all black going. I don't know. But they are stunning. I'm happy I got both of them. And, you know, they're adding to my collection. Feel how you want. I know the girls don't like the Kardashian Jenners. That's your business. The Bratz had, now y'all know I made a video pitching to Matilda Beyonce should have a Barbie. But the Bratz asked who should they also make a celebrity doll of. And I want to make a video saying who would be good choices for Bratz to do. And that will be coming up soon. And I probably shouldn't have said that because somebody probably going to see my video and copy off of me. But that's fine. She's not me. And she doesn't have my name. But thank you all for watching. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe. I will see you soon. I'm going to put an Amazon link to purchase Miss Kylie because you could purchase her on Amazon in the large, like, 2-foot doll, I think is an Amazon exclusive. But just to help my viewers out, Target has this sale. I believe it's till November 18th. So go get you a doll on sale if you don't want to pay full price. But I will see you soon with another unboxing and review. Please subscribe. Please comment any suggestions. We're almost to 100 and I'm going to do a giveaway. So y'all need to help me get to 100. And I will see you soon. Ta-ta.